Hey everyone, so this is my short clock. Yes, I'm good. It'll go off about 6 minutes, and oh, it's just gonna vibrate. It's all it's going to do is to vibrate. Oh, yeah. 3, 1. Give me one more sec. Dirty little puppy dog. Sitting in the building. This 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 looks like a lighthouse. Looks some kind of lighthouse. So, yeah. We go about 4. We got about 4 minutes. So the alarm clock will go. Here's Santa Claus. Here's strength there. The battery cover is for this clock. So yeah. Alright, we got about 3 minutes. And it goes up at 11:45. This clock this clock's called American Pride, but there's nothing American in this clock. But it does play American songs. So yeah. I got this clock for like $20. I got it on eBay, and so yeah. We got about 2 minutes. I'm counting. A tunnel and another tunnel makes 2 tunnels. Here's a window. There's a window and another window. Yeah. This clock only has an opening theme. The clock. And when these three cycle clocks go off, they have the opening and they have the ending thing. So yeah. About 1 minute. Okay, everyone, wait for it. Alright, so that's all for this video. And hope y'all enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.